Hey guys, I decided to put out a geocache. I'll tell you more about that in another video. But for this video, I want to camouflage a couple of these, let me show you. These crates that I won recently at the Pinellas County picnic. So I went out to Walmart, bought all the stuff. So let's see how this turns out. Stay tuned. Cats are such curious little animals, aren't they? As you can see, I went the black, the dark green, and the tan. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this prong, and I've got the tan, and I'm going to use it over the top of the dark. So what you want to do is use your lighter colors on top of the dark, and the darker colors on top of the light. Let's get this going. I got my finished products here. I can't wait to get started. Happy geocaching!